Southwest Airlines Diversity in Corporate Culture. Introduction. Southwest Airlines is recognized for two significant things. To start with, is its corporate culture, filled with humor and energy, and secondly, its over 30 years of consistent profitability in the airline industry. The strategy of Southwest Airlines is extremely unique. Besides, it is of great significance to have a clear overview of the role played by both the functional and top-level managers in the implementation of the strategy. The Southwest Airlines Human Resource Department has a role to play in terms of selecting, hiring, training, and promoting of personnel with adequate skills to fit in the strategy of the organization and with the unique culture. The airline's mission is to provide its customers with the highest quality of services accompanied with friendliness, warmth, individual pride, and the spirit of the company. The company also aims to provide its employees with personal growth and learning opportunities. The company advocates for innovation and creativity to improve its effectiveness, thus increasing revenue. The Southwest Airlines was created with an objective of being a low-cost provider in comparison to other carriers. Amazingly, the Southwest Airlines fare initially was structured to compete with bus and car transportation. Despite facing aggressive competition from other airlines such as Blue Airlines and Delta Airlines, they have continued to increase their profitability as a result of their unique culture. The Southwest airline market value is wider than that of its competitor combined. It is good to have a detailed overview of how the corporate culture of Southwest Airlines is unique from other airlines. With Southwest Airlines culture, employees are valued more than customers as the success of the company depends on them. This is the main reason why the company continues expanding in terms of profits. Southwest Airlines customers enjoy the unique experience offered by the company. The flight attendants are tasked with running humorous contests with the customers. For instance, the first passenger is offered a free round trip to each and every Southwest tour destination. The company's corporate culture has undergone a transformation. For instance, the culture is characterized by shared company objectives and mutual respect. The company also stresses on creativity when finding solutions to jobs that are highly stressful. Accordingly, rocking chairs are strategically placed at the offices in case of an impromptu meeting. Ways in which Southwest Airlines and employees benefit from the unique culture. The strong organizational culture of Southwest Airlines has increased its employees' behavioral consistency at a very big extent. This has necessitated the phasing out of formalization and consequently reducing turnover. The airline culture values employees' creativity, individual task accomplishment, and its employee satisfaction and growth. The culture encourages the company employees to develop themselves and participate in interesting and new activities so as to increase income and morale. Southwest Airlines has had the opportunity of converting its culture that is intangible into benefits that are tangible. For example, the company has continued to increase in terms of profit. In addition to that, the company has been able to have a competitive advantage over other airline industries, thus increasing its amount of profitability. Southwest Airlines cares for its people, both the employees and customers. The success of this company depends on its employees. Southwest Airlines leadership philosophies build respect and trust between the management and the employees. In summary, a culture that is highly performing is imperative to the success of an organization. Employees and people come first as they are the company's first asset. Culture varies from company to company. Culture commences from within the organization and reflects itself among the targeted customers, as in the case of Southwest Airlines. How Southwest Airlines would continue to succeed as a company if its current corporate culture would need to change in the future? In case of any change in the company's corporate culture, the new culture should not deviate from its original culture. The culture should be in line with the company's mission statement, providing its employees and passengers with high-quality services and ensuring the training and empowering of its employees. In addition to that, the change in culture should be unique to keep employees' morale high. The culture should not temper with the cost of air travel. They should be low as usual and also invest in the performance of the employees. Conclusion. In conclusion, Southwest Airlines provides its employees with various reward systems just like other businesses. The reward systems are such as health, dental, medical, and vision coverage. Other benefits are such as insurance for long-term care disability, dependent care spending accounts, time off, and 401,000 retirement saving plans. The success of the company is attributed to how it treats its employees. Through the implementation of a profit-sharing program amongst its employees, the employees are the pride of Southwest Airlines. The company encourages employees' creativity and innovativeness. Thus, the company succeeds in a highly competitive environment.